to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko and today, if today's your first time on this channel, we are so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we all learning Yoruba language together. Yes. So please remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Remember to share. Remember to comment. Okay? Yay! Alright then, guys. So today we're going to be learning about some Yoruba songs. Yoruba call them Akómoníwà. That means songs that shapes your character. Okay? Songs that teaches you how to behave. Okay? Songs that boost up your morale. While singing it, I will do the translation on the screen for you. Okay? But it will all be in Yoruba, and I will love you to learn the songs. They're actually really nice. Okay? And hopefully mommy and daddy as well are going to help us. Okay? But before we go into that, you know very well that we have to greet our elders. At least from last week, you know now how to greet our elders. Okay? So together, we're going to greet in Yoruba on the count of 1, 2, 3. I know I said it in English, yeah. Oh yeah, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. Akúdédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Àǹtí Dékẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí a máa kọ́ àwọn orin Akómoníwà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ jọ́ yìí bàbá àti màmá wa. Bàbá tí ń kọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ máa bá wa náà kọ́ kó lè yé wa yéké káwa náà ká lè mọ̀ ọkọ dáadáa. Ṣé ẹ rí mo ní ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta bó bá kọ àbẹ́ yí oròǹbó fún yín ẹ ní gbàgbọ́ kọ́ ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta ní kọ́ ẹ má ṣèyọnu. Mo máa ṣe fọ́nrán ẹ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ máa rí tó bá ń kọ àbẹ́ yí oròǹbó fún ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta ẹ̀yin náà lè ṣe ìgbìyànjú yín ló máa pọ̀ ṣó ti eyín ó yà ó ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ bá a ṣe máa kọ́ àwọn orin Akómoníwà. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sing the first one now. Please try to learn it. They're really nice. Okay? The first one is about respecting our mothers. Like I said, there's songs that will shape in your character. Okay? So it goes like this. Ọmọ tó mọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú o, òṣì yóò tọ́mọ lọ́pá. Ọmọ tó mọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú o, òṣì yóò tọ́mọ lọ́pá. Ìyà tó jìyà pọ̀ lórí rẹ̀, bàbá tó jìyà pọ̀ lórí rẹ̀. Ọmọ tó mọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú o, òṣì yóò tọ́mọ lọ́pá. So, respect your parents. Okay? So that is the first one. So the second one is òjò rọ̀ ṣeré nínú ilé, má wọnú òjò kí aṣọ rẹ má bàa tútù, kí òtútù má bàa mú ẹ. Okay? So the last one for today, okay, is bàtà rẹ̀ á dún kókóká. Bàtà rẹ̀ á dún kókóká tí o bá kàwé rẹ̀. Bàtà rẹ̀ á dún kókóká bí o bá kàwé rẹ̀. Bàtà rẹ̀ á wọṣẹ́ rẹ̀ nílẹ̀. Okay, that means study. Read your book very well. When you study very well, you will be able to become someone important in life. you'll be able to achieve great things in life. But if you do not study your book, if you do not read, well, you will not become someone great in life. Okay? So you need to study. You need to do well in school so you can become someone great tomorrow. So you can become someone great in the future. Okay? And that is it for this week. Okay? And as you know, we'll be saying our own double together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Etaoya, oh double. Thank you very much. Eshio.